How to log in Kwik Trip credit card online account. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, open up any web browser. On the search bar, you want to search for Kwik Trip credit card login. Now click on the very first website. Once you click on the website, on this page, click on the sign up option if you do not already have an account. Click on the login option if you already have created an account. Then on this login portal, enter your email address. Now enter your password. Check this box if you want your login to be remembered. Now, in case you have forgotten your password, click on the link of Forgot Password. Here, enter your email address and click on the Send Password Reset button. An email is going to be provided to you from Kwik Trip. From there, you will receive a link. Click on that link to reset your password. Once your password has been reset, you can enter your new password in this box. Then, click on the Login option. Once you click on the Login option, head over to the Credit Card section. From there, you can access your credit card dashboard. You will also be able to manage your Kwik Trip credit card from there. If you face any difficulty during the login process, you can directly contact the customer support of Kwik Trip. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comments section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.